Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys on PlayStation 5. First, you will need to download the game from the PlayStation Store. Make sure your console has enough storage, as the game typically requires several gigabytes. A stable internet connection is essential for smooth online gameplay. Finally, you will need to create or log into your Epic Games account to access all game features and progress. Once you are in the game, mastering the controls is key. Use the left analog stick to move your adorable bean character around the vibrant courses. The X button allows you to jump over obstacles, and pressing the square button lets you dive for extra distance or to avoid hazards. You can also grab onto ledges or even other players using the R2 button, which can be quite strategic in certain rounds. Fall Guys offers a delightful variety of game modes, keeping the experience fresh and exciting. You will encounter races where speed is paramount, survival rounds testing your agility, and even team games requiring cooperation with your fellow beans. The objective is always to qualify for the next stage, eventually reaching the intense final round. Winning that final round earns you the coveted crown, a symbol of your triumph. To truly excel in Fall Guys, consider a few helpful tips. Watching how other players navigate courses can reveal optimal routes and clever shortcuts. Practicing your dives and grabs will significantly enhance your movement and give you an edge. Remember to stay calm, even when the chaos of 60 players surrounds you. And don't forget to personalize your bean with fun costumes and emotes to stand out in the crowd.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.